Hey, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Jhud. I'm a travel agent. And in my channel, I am doing tutorial videos about airline tickets, like how to rebook ticket, how to check in online, how to convert ticket to a travel fund, travel voucher, or credit account, anything about airline tickets. Sometimes, nag-upload din ako ng mga travel vlogs, but ngayon, nasa SQ yung lugar namin, kaya bawal lumabas. So now, my focus is to create more tutorial videos like this para makatulong sa iyo kung sakali man na isa ka sa mga affected ng flight cancellation. Alam mo naman na sa panahon ngayon, hindi natin maiiwasan na merong mga cancellation dahil nga sa tumataas na kaso ng COVID. And sa mga locally stranded individuals, LSI, mga APORs, mga authorized person outside residence, kung hindi naman SQ doon sa lugar ninyo at sa lugar ng pupuntahan ninyo, ay pwede pa rin kayong makapag-travel. At sa mga naghahanap ng mga murang airline tickets, you can message me in my messenger para mahanapan kita ng mga dates kung saan mura yung ticket. And kung sa akin ka nag-book ng ticket, libre na rin yung pag-a-assist ko sa iyo kung sakali man na merong mga changes sa iyong booking. So, just message me dyan sa aking FB Messenger para ma-assist kita. And now, punta na tayo sa aking video tutorial. Yung topic today is paano mag-check-in online kung merong dalawa or tatlong passenger sa isang booking reference number. So, first, punta ka sa philippineairlines.com website. I-click mo tong check-in. You can enter your booking reference number. Pwede din frequent flyer number or e-ticket number. Just enter your booking reference number na makikita sa iyong ticket. And then, last name. Check I have read and click check-in. Important reminder. Basahin mo yung mga important reminder and then just click check-in. Passenger selection. Please select the passenger that you want to check in. So just simply check or select the name of the passenger that you want to check in. Ganun lang siya ka-simple. And then click confirm selection. Federal regulations prohibit the following. Basahin niyo yan. And then if okay na, just click I acknowledge and click. So, ito yung passenger list. Ito yung itinerary. Just i-check mo lang yan. And then dito, sa right side, yung seat, yan po yung seat number mo. So, merong nagtatanong kung paano daw malaman yung seat number. Makikita nyo lang siya once na nag-check-in kayo. Okay? Nakikita nyo dito yung seat number. Hindi nyo makikita yung seat number sa iyong ticket unless na lang kung nag-purchase kayo ng seat. Okay? So, baggage allowance, wala. Pag okay na, just click confirm check-in. And then security and safety questions. Are the bags you're checking in carrying yours? Yes. Did you pack the bag yourself? Yes. Are you carrying anything for another person? No. 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 And just click continue. Email address, required field. Enter your email address para ma-inform ka kung meron changes. And then, copy email to all passenger. I-copy mo lang siya kung gusto mo na same kayo ng email address dun sa iba mo pang kasama. Simply click copy email to all passenger para hindi ka na mag-type dyan. Same as the phone number, enter your mobile phone number and then copy phone to all passenger. Automatic na yan na magre-reflect doon sa kasama mo. Okay? And then click save contact details. And journey documents, contact details saved, and then your warning, boarding pass printing not allowed. So, some boarding passes cannot be printed. You can collect your boarding passes at the online check-in bag drop counter at the airport. Receive boarding passes by email. I-click mo lang itong receive boarding passes and then check your email kasi mapupunta siya doon. Yung confirmation document. And then after that, finish my check-in. Check-in complete. Your check-in has been completed. Please read the information below and exit check-in. You can screenshot this one para may guide kayo like bag drop off closing time, boarding time. You can check that one and makikita nyo din naman yan sa inyong boarding pass. And click exit check-in. And you're done. Ganun lang po kadali kung paano mag-check-in kung merong 2 or 3 or 4 na passenger sa isang booking reference number. Just select the name of the passenger that you want to check in. Okay, so that's all for this video. I hope that you learned something. If you have questions, just comment down below. And again, if you want to book your ticket, just contact me in my messenger or comment down below para ma-assist ko kayo sa inyong mga inquiries. Okay, thank you so much for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye guys!